How many questions I completed yesterday? How many questions I completed yesterday?
6 question first part.
Okay. Six question first part you see. You can see six question first part. The total cost for a production and marketing activity is given by Cx equals 3 upon 4 x square. Cx equals 3 upon 2 x square minus 7x plus 27 minus 7x plus 27. Find the level of output means number of units produced for which MC equals AC. So number of units you have to find for which production marginal cost equals unit cost is satisfied. So those number of units you have to find. How can we find? So for this first of all you find average cost and then marginal cost you find and you take both are equal. So therefore average cost C upon X. C is 3 upon 4 x square minus 7x plus 27 upon x. So it will become 3 upon 4 x minus 7 plus 27 upon x. And marginal cost. Marginal cost is d upon dx of d upon dx of d upon dx of
Sir, CX.
yes c
CX.
c or dx. So it will be d upon dx. C is 3 upon 2 x square minus 7x plus 27. You differentiate, so it will come 2 to the 3 upon 2x. 3 upon 2x minus 7. This is the marginal cost. Now, condition is given MC should be equal to AC. So, or AC equals MC. What is AC? AC is 3 upon 2x minus 7 plus 27 upon x equals real part of x minus 7. How can we solve it? We take LCM first. Validate LCM. So here it will be 4x. So 3x square minus 7 to the 28x plus 27 to the 108. 3x minus 14. 2 to the 4. Do cross multiplication. 3x square minus 28x plus 108 equals 6x square minus 28. So it will be 6x square minus 3x square, 3x square plus 28x minus 108 plus 28, 126 equals 0. Now you can factorize. It will come.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, on the RHS, it will be 28x.
Yes, 28x. Right. 28x. Correct. Quite correct. Sorry, is correct. 28x and multiply. So it will be minus 28x cancelled. Minus 28x cancelled. So it will come 3x square equals 6x square minus 3x square. 3x square equals 108. X square equals 36. X equals 106. But number of units cannot be negative. Number of units cannot be negative. Therefore, x equals 6. X equals 6 units. Check. Is it correct?
Yes, sir. Correct answer.
So here you can see for x equals 6 units, marginal cost is equal to average cost. Is it clear? Is
Yes,
it
sir.
clear? Now question number 7. What is the question number 7? The total cost function is given by c equals x plus 2x cubed. C equals 2x cubed. First divide to term. Two x cubed plus x minus 3.5 x square minus 3.5 x square plus x. It is given. It is given cost. Now you have to find marginal cost function, marginal average cost function, MAC. So first of all, you find average cost, then make differentiation of average cost, make the differentiation of average cost, so that will be marginal average cost. Understood what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can write where average cost here for x to x minus 3.5 x square. What happened, Shivankar? Shivankar, what happened? अरे फिलहाल बात है मुझे यावन so minus 3.5 x plus 1. This is average cost and you have to find now what you find marginal average cost. So you have to marginal average cost here one is of average cost. Here one is of average cost is 2 x square minus 3.5 x plus 1. Its differentiation becomes 2x minus 3.5. So this is marginal average cost. Check it. 4x minus 3.5. Clear? Now you have to also find the terms where marginal cost curve cuts x-axis and y-axis. So here what they are giving, you pay attention on the question. In first part they are asking marginal average cost, but in second part they are saying that marginal cost curve cuts x-axis and y-axis. So at which point? So you will have to find marginal cost also. So marginal cost equals d upon dx of c. So you can write now marginal cost d upon dx of c. D upon dx of value of 2x cubed minus 3.5 x square plus x its differentiation. So 6x square 6x square minus 7x plus 1 minus 7x plus 1. This is marginal cost. This is also marginal average cost or this is marginal cost. Now it will cut x-axis where y equals 0. It will cut x-axis where y equals 0. Y means here you can take marginal cost as y and y equals 6x square minus 7x plus 1 is given. So you can write it or marginal cost equals 0 or marginal cost equals 0. 6x square minus 7x plus 1 equals 0. Which implies that 6 plus 1 7, 6x square minus 6x minus x plus 1 equals 0. 6x is common, x minus 1 minus 1 is common, x minus 1 is equal to 0. It will be x minus 1, 6x minus 1 is equal to 0. Which implies that x equals 1 comma 1 to 6. Which implies that 1 comma 1 to 6. Okay. So value of x we have found. So marginal cost curve cuts x-axis at 1 comma 0 and 1/6 comma 0. Clear? Next is for x equals 0. X equals 0. Marginal cost plus for y equals marginal cost is like y equals 6 into 0 minus 7 into 0 plus 1. So it will come 1. It will come 1. So it is coming y equals 1. So you can write as the MC curve cuts x-axis. The MC curve cuts x-axis at 1 comma 0 and 1/6 comma 0 and y-axis at 0 comma 1 and y-axis at 0 comma 1. Are you getting? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Others?
Yes, sir.
Others?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now come to question number 10. Listen carefully. If C equals 2x into x plus 4 upon x plus 1 plus 6 is the total cost of production of x units of a certain product so that marginal cost falls continuously as output x increases. Listen, in this question, one new concept is there. Listen carefully. What I'm telling to you, they are saying marginal cost falls continuously as output x increases. Means as you will increase the value of x, so marginal cost will decrease continuously. Getting my point? Getting my point? As
Yes, sir.
you will increase the values of x, means first you are putting value of x 5, then 6, then 7, then 8, then 9. Like this you are increasing the values of x. Then marginal cost, suppose it was coming 5, then 4.5, then 4, then 3.5, then 3. Like this it will decrease continuously. It will fall continuously. Understood? So this is the question.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
First you tell me all are getting what I said.
Yes, sir.
Ah.
Yes,
So
sir.
now question is there, how can we prove this thing? Is it or not?
Sir.
So for this 111 chapter is there in your book. In that 11 chapter, increasing decreasing functions are there. First of all, you will find marginal cost. Marginal cost, how to find, you know very well. You know it or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, first of all, you will find marginal cost. After finding marginal cost, this is the function to be increased or decreased. जो मार्जिनल कॉस्ट आपके पास आएगी, आप ऐसे मान के चलेंगे कि ये हमारा फंक्शन है जो हमें डिक्रीज दिखाना है कि डिक्रीज हो रहा है कंटिन्यूसली. ओके, इंक्रीज दिखाना हो या डिक्रीज दिखाना हो, तो उसके लिए मेथड बता रहा हूं मैं. तो उस फंक्शन का दोबारा एक डिफरेंशिएशन करेंगे, और अगर वो डिफरेंशिएशन आपका नेगेटिव आता है, अगर वो डिफरेंशिएशन आपका नेगेटिव आता है, तो इसका मतलब वो फंक्शन कंटिन्यूसली डिक्रीज हो रहा है. इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
और अगर वो आपका पॉजिटिव आता है तो फंक्शन कंटिन्यूसली इंक्रीज होगा. इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now we will take this question. Two x into x plus 4, 2x into x plus 4 upon x plus 1 plus 6. Now this differentiation in a special way you have to do as I'm telling you. So you can take 2 outside x square plus 2x upon x plus 1 plus you multiply by x inside the bracket, only by x, not by 2. Okay. Why we should differentiate it? To find the marginal cost. To find the marginal cost, we have to differentiate this total cost. So there, marginal cost of course we are now of C. We are marginal cost 2 into x square plus 2x upon x plus 1 plus 6. Now differentiate u upon v you will apply. U upon v. It will become 2 outside in bracket x plus 1 whole square x plus 1 same into differentiation of x square plus 4x, 2x plus 4, 2x plus 4 minus x square plus 4x same into differentiation of x plus 1 is 1. Are you getting? Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. You multiply inside, it will come 2x square plus 4x plus 2x plus 4 plus x square plus 4x upon x plus 1 whole square. And differentiation of this 6 is 0. So that's why I did not write. Yeah. It will become 3x square plus 8x plus 8x. No. 4, 6, 4, 10 plus 10x and plus 4 upon x plus 1 whole square. Now what will you do? You will take whole square of x plus 1. How can you make whole square of x plus 1? Listen carefully. If I write 3x square plus 6x plus it will come 1, no 3. It will come 3. I have written 3x square plus 6x plus 3. When I will take 3 common, so it will become x square plus 2x plus 1. X square plus 2x plus 1 is the whole square of x plus 1. Is it or not? Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So plus 4x, 6x plus 2x, 7x, and plus 1 upon x plus 1 whole square. Now you can take 2 into 3 outside x square plus 2x plus 1 plus 2x plus 1 upon x plus 1 whole square. It will become two outside 3 into x plus 1 whole square plus 2x plus 1 upon x plus 1 whole square. It will become separate term. One is separate term. 3 plus 4x plus 1 upon x plus 1 whole square. Getting the point? Getting the point? Are you getting?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So in calculation you can check one time. Everyone can check because if in calculation some problem is there, so answer will be wrong. So one time you can check calculation. I think it is correct, but maybe one time. Checked it. Checked it. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
Sir,
there is a
sir,
mistake
that's
in differentiation.
Huh?
Sir, v square then v into d upon dx of u minus sign will be there.
Minus sign will come. So that's why I was saying one time you check. That's why I was saying one time you check. Minus sign, correct. Minus sign will become minus x square minus 4. That's why I said one time you check the calculation. So minus x square will become x square minus 4x plus 2x plus 4. x square 4x plus 2x plus 4. Now it will become x square plus 2x plus 1 x square plus 2x plus 1 plus 3 x square plus 2x plus 1 plus 3. It will become it will be 2 into x plus 1 whole square plus 3 upon x plus 1 whole square. It will be 2 into 1 plus 3 upon x plus 1 whole square. Now you check full time. Solve it. Or that Nanika or Nikita. You check the calculation. Check the calculation. Check it.
Yes, sir. It's okay.
Okay. Now you can see it will become 2 plus 6 upon x plus 1 whole square. So this is marginal cost. This is marginal cost. I told you first to find marginal cost and then differentiation of marginal cost you have to make to check if it is positive or negative. So now dx of marginal cost equals dx of 2 plus 6 upon x plus 1 whole square. So differentiation of these two, differentiation of 1 upon x minus 1 upon x square. So it will become minus 6 into 2. X plus 1 whole square you will take in numerator, so x plus 1 to the power minus 2 it will become. So x plus 1 to the power minus 2 minus 2 into x plus 1 to the power minus 3. So x plus 1 whole cube. It will be minus 12 upon x plus 1 whole cube. Now one thing you tell me, since x is positive, so what it will be minus 12 upon x plus 1 whole cube. What sign of this value will be there? X is positive, it is coming minus 12 upon x plus 1 whole cube. So positive value of x when you put, so it will always be negative or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can write it is negative for all x, which is negative for all x, which is negative for all x. If you put x equals 0, then minus 12 will come. If you put x equals 1, then also negative value will come. So that's why it means that it is always negative. When it is negative, it means that marginal cost falls continuously if output x increases. So you can write hence marginal cost falls continuously. Marginal cost was continuously. Marshall was continuously as the output max increases. As the output, as the output max increases. We have proved this. Getting this question? Getting this
Yes, sir.
question or not? Now, listen. Question number 13. What is in question number 13? Pranjal can read the question.
So the total cost function of for x unit is given by cx equal root 6x plus 5 plus 2500. Show that the marginal cost decreases as the output x increases.
Understood? This is same question or not? This is same question or not? Just before I did 10th question. Is it same like 10 question?
Yes, sir.
Others will tell.
Yes, sir.
Start joining the class. So I think this exercise is over. Okay. So first you tell me why so less students are joining the class after unit test. Every day I think Sarthak was coming, Tushar was coming, but nowadays they are not coming. What is the reason? Please tell. Okay, so thank you very much. We can conclude. So now you can leave the meeting.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.